we kind of always dreamed of having our own Tabor home, so we're very grateful to have the one we have. My name is Courtney Nault. I live in Nichols Creek. The home we picked was past the design stage, so we didn't pick anything that was in the home. Walls were up, construction was done. We picked that because our time frame, we wanted to get into a home faster, but Tabor, their design team and everyone like that just really puts those little details together, and we actually love everything that's in our home. Tabor's ethics and kind of what they believe in is similar to my husband and I's beliefs. They never forced anything on us in regards to like the price or trying to sell us something. Some of our favorite features, we really enjoy hanging out on the back patio, so I think we'll really enjoy that outdoor fireplace. I think people don't really look into the details like Tabor does. You know, the kitchen of course is my favorite, the massive island. My husband and I are able to cook together, so I think those are some of our favorite features. So I would definitely recommend Homes by Tabor to my family, my friends. I've actually already started doing that. You know, of course, we just got into our home a couple months ago, so it's a hot topic when we're talking to friends and family. So definitely recommend Homes by Tabor anytime that discussion comes up. And hopefully we'll have some new neighbors or friends come into our neighborhood, so really excited about that.